Indicom launch an investigation because at a checkpoint, the JDF shot fatally a man and 3 students actually got injured, ladies and gentlemen. What a bam bam. And that a go on pan, what a go on, you know. You are gonna take. Yeah, greetings and salutations here to all nation. You know, it's Rastafari Soldier, your favorite Jamaican. Hit the red subscribe button from my family and friends. Follow me on TikTok because the Independent Commission of Investigation has launched an investigation regarding the incident in which a man was shot fatally and 3 other people, including 2 female students, were injured along Oxford and Beeston Street in Kingston. The incident report took place in the vicinity of Jamaican Defense Force checkpoint at approximately 11 p.m. Police source claimed there was a report of shootout between a law enforcement officer and armed men in the area. During the scene process, over 55 spent shell casings were recovered. A release from the Indicom said the deceased has been identified as 23-year-old Marvin Cummins. Indicom in release said 2 of the injured persons are female students under the age of 18 years old. The incident scene, which was processed by Indicom and the JCF crime scene, is extensively as it includes both the making and marking of JCF service vehicle pursuing an alleged exchange of gunfire as the checkpoint. Members of both of the JDF and the JCF has confirmed that their weapons were discharged during the incident and stated that it was a response to being fired at by men traveling on motorcycle. No firearms has been reported as recovered during the incident. Indicom investigation is ongoing as the commission seeks to determine the full facts and understand the accounts provided by both the members of the service force and the civilian involved. The release stated the commission will provide further details as it becomes available. Member of the public who is able to assist the investigation encouraged to contact the commission head office or send their information, photo or video directly to Indicom official WhatsApp line at 876-553-5555. Oh no, hear what a guan, pan what a guan. It is being said that over 50 spent shell was picked up. Yeah, Indicom is declaring that the 23-year-old that was killed is Marvin Cummins. They said that the police and the soldiers said that they were fired up on, but no firearms have been reported recovered during the incident. Oh no, hear what a guan pan, what a guan. Sound like the same old, same old. I wonder if the youths them a ride them yang and it backfire and them boy a pull out them queng. Ladies and gentlemen, it seems like another young youth life gone. Imagine, only 23. Indicom has investigated and them said them no find no too late. Listen, I want to know for call in if you don't have any information if you was on the scene. But don't send your picture or no video. Them boy we set you up or take your video and come for you themselves. Call in, make Indicom know if you see anything. If I dash them, dash where they youth. Or if you know where they youth them, dash where they told. Call 876-553-5555. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know what's good for you, keep your mouth and keep your life. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Me I ask you, build up the Rastaman panel and more life. more joy, and of course, more nappiness. You stay blessed.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them flat and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Say hi to your friends.